This is our after effect. To make an animated line effect, first of all, make a new composition. Make its setting with the name line animation. I am going with 1280 by 720 pixels and 25 frame rate per second. You can change from here presets, they are built-in presets. But you can also change your width and height to uncheck this checkbox. When it's unchecked, you can paste it manually. But I will go with the same by 720. Time duration 10 seconds. Hit OK. Now here is our composition, and this is our timeline bar, timeline area, editing panel. Okay, we have to create a shape. For creating shape, you can choose the shape tool like rectangular, circular, elliptic tool, polygon, star, anyone. But you can also use this pen tool for creating a shape, because it will give you a manual shape as your own wish. Okay, first of all, please check your fill color is transparent or no fill. Click on this fill option. Here you can see gradient, single color and radial color. Go with none color. Hit OK. With stroke, I'm going with white. Pixels you can adjust with 3 to 4. Now draw a shape here like this. Okay. Now select your move tool. You can see here this shape creates a white color line in our screen. Now let's play with the effect. Go to your layer options, in contents, open it, shape 1, stroke 1. Here you can see multiple options, but we will go with dashes. In dashes you can see here plus sign. When you click on it, it will open the option dash and offset. Click one more on plus sign, then you can see the gap. Come to 0 point. Now you can see here our line is converted into dots. For zooming you can go with 100. With your spacebar you can move your screen with fit on screen. Okay, now we can change its shape, so go with dashes, drag it. Now you can see the dashes is now different, a large one or a smaller one to bring it back. It is your own choice. I will go with this style. Okay, now you can also change its shape by line cap. It is now butt cap. Go with round cap. What's the difference on them? Go and zoom it. Hold your control from your keyboard and move the scroll from your mouse. Pressing spacebar, move it. Now you can see the difference. That is butt shape and that is round shape. Projecting cap. We will go with round cap. Now select your stopwatch by clicking on this stopwatch icon. Here is our key mark. Drag your key mark to 6 seconds. Fit your screen for the final result seeing and drag it to 0. Now see the difference. How the straight line comes into dashes line. Okay, uncheck this, so create a gap of them. Okay, now go to contents, click add and select trim paths. You can see we are just a one animation in trim paths here. Open it. You can see start, end and offset. We will go with end. Check the stopwatch and you can move the amount of it. As you can see, we have at this time half line. With increasing, our line is increasing and out of the screen. In start we will go with 0. Now to 6 seconds we will put the amount here 100. Now see the animation. Look how this animated line works. It is so simple effect. You can create multiple designs as on your wish. You can create bundle of effects with your creative mind. Let's play little bit more. I'm going to create new composition with the name of effect. Hit OK. Pick the pen tool. Reconfirm the settings. Fill no color and stroke white with 4 pixels. Now I'm going to create a graph. You can create anything with this pen tool, like this and this, and now again this, then like this, and out from the screen. As it is shown, it is like a graph. You can change its shape anytime by just select your shape layer and reconcile like this one, or you can also drag with these arrows like this. If you want not this icon, just select it and press delete from your keyboard and drag it like this. You can create any shape as you require, as you want. If you want to add someone more, so just click. You can see there a plus sign in the pen tool, so just click on it and select or drag it like this. Okay, now create an animation on this graph. Select your move tool, go to this arrow, contents and shape 1. Go with stroke 1. Now we will go with this dashes. Select plus. Our line is now converted into dashes. Press one more for dashes for seeing the gap. Okay, now move this gap like this and make some more fatty our dashes like this. Okay, I think that's good. Now we are going to create animation on them, so just go to this add in contents, go to this add and select trim paths. This is my favorite effect to create this line animation. So simple but looking really cool. Come to end stopwatch, hit once and we will go to one mark here. Drag it to the 6 second. Press one more. On this add or remove keyframe, we got one more keyframe here and drag it into 0. Now you can check your animation by pressing spacebar. With this you can create this graph. One more interesting thing, you can change its shape anytime just selecting this shape layer and move. Select your pen tool and drag it anywhere where you want. For level, come with this, put it little bit down, little bit more down, this also. Now these are almost aligned with each other. Look, select your move tool and your animation is same but with your new shape. Look, it's really amazing. Cool. You can change its shape, its color anytime. Just click on this color button and change its color. Now you can see it is red. Okay, as you can see, our animation is going to the end, but we have the shape still on our screen. How we can remove it as it is passing to out of screen? So deleting from the back side. So go to your start and trim paths. In the mid of the effect, click on this stopwatch button, and as you can see we have a key mark here. Go to 4 seconds and increase it to 100. Now just see the animation. Look, now it is removing from start also. For smooth effect you can increase its distance. Now see, that is really cool. You can create many effects with the help of this, like this. You can create these shapes with the help of this. Let's play with the rectangular. Create a new composition, hit OK, draw a shape here like this, and go to contents, rectangular 1, stroke 1, and now with round shape click on plus once more, create a little bit gap. OK, now go in contents, add and trim paths. In trim paths, go with end, hit on stopwatch, move it to 0, go to 6 seconds and draw it to 100. Now come to 3 seconds, go with start stopwatch, hit is 0 and go to almost 9 seconds, draw it to 100. Now just see the animation what we done with shape 1. Look, now make a copy of it, press Ctrl D from your keyboard, select your move tool, reshape it once and change its color. Go to contents, rectangular 1, stroke 1, change its color to blue. OK, now see the effect again. You can create many effects with the help of this.